Hey, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, want to take this time to thank all my subscribers. For those that leave a comment, it's truly appreciated. Well, here's my K-Line 466T conversion into a replica Lionel 1945. Here's the original Lionel. What I first did was I took everything off. Took out the decals. And then I primered it. And then I painted it with a light gray and then a dark gray for the front part. I made my own decals in black and I put 1941 instead of 1945. And in the back, I put USA with a 1941. It wasn't hard to do, it was pretty easy. Just had to tape everything off really good. Here is with the painted window in yellow. And on the other side, I left it in regular gray. I wanted to see how it would look. But I went back and I went ahead and painted the window in yellow. And here is with all the added details put back on. And I love the way it came out. The lights are put back on. Here's the part where I'm showing you the window. And I didn't like it like this, so I went ahead and went back and painted it yellow. And it really gives it a nice look to it. And you'll see that I took out the white from the tires, and here's the completed model. And here's the actual Lionel model. Well, here she is on the track. She's moving. She's TMCC, so she could go as fast as or as slow as you want. I love it. I'm glad I did it. These Lionel 1945s are really, really hard to find. I looked and I couldn't find one. And here she is coming a little bit slower around the curve with lighted transport cars. And here she is backing up on the bridge so you can see the red lights and the reverse lights. I love the way those transport cars came out with the new LEDs and the people in it. Here she is coming around the curve at super slow speed. And there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell button. Hey, happy railroading.